the individuals that want to invest feel comfortable telling you exactly what they've got and what they're looking to, how much funds they're looking to place and whatnot.
What are some things that you feel, or maybe some obstacles that you feel people need to just hurdle over, like as soon as possible, to maybe it's limiting beliefs, whatever that might be, to get from like what would be maybe the old George to the new George of a, maybe it's a new implementation in the system, or maybe it's from door 1 to door 100 or door 1,000. Like what is something that you've seen is probably, yeah, man, this is something that keeps coming to mind every time I'm looking to take that leap.
One that comes to mind is the numbers. Like, don't let the numbers scare you. You go from, at least in my case, single family, I'm talking a couple $100,000 to 20 million. Just the whole mindset behind money, as far as, I feel like in the US, we're really not brought up to talk about our net worth or our investments in general. And I think we should. I mean, we should be talking about those things. And to raise money in multifamily, you've got to feel comfortable talking about that. And you'll find out that the individuals that want to invest feel comfortable telling you exactly what they've got and what they're looking to, how much funds they're looking to place and whatnot.